Hello, Michelle Farley, attorney at law, here again from the woods in Pennsylvania, northeast Pennsylvania, the Pocono Mountains area, with a little more content for you today, this time about some other types of work that I do. Just a reminder, I've been an attorney for 33 years. Got my education and law degree at NYU School of Law and started out practicing in the state of Maryland and Washington, D.C. at a firm that had an office in both of those areas. And then I moved to Pennsylvania and was admitted to the bar in Pennsylvania in 1998. So I've been around, I have a lot of experience, and I've opened up a year ago Farley Law LLC. I left my most recent firm practice and back out on my own so that I can service clients in the way that I deem best and most helpful to the clients. So today I wanted to talk a little bit, as I'm hiking down this beautiful, beautiful road. I wanted to talk about non-family law things. These are still types of legal matters that are related to your family, but they're not divorce, custody, adoption, and those things. I do all of those things, but I also do estate planning. I do last will and testament drafting. I do power of attorney drafting. I prepare healthcare surrogacy documents and living wills, which are the documents that you would use to explain that if you're already in the process of dying at the very end, maybe you don't want to be hooked up to a machine, and you can express that in a living will document. So wanted you all to know that I do that work as well. I do guardianships, which a guardianship order is something that you would use to come into legal control of an incapacitated person when they cannot sign a power of attorney. So if someone's legally incapacitated, then they don't have the ability to sign a power of attorney to name you as the person to control their legal affairs, but the judge can grant a guardianship petition and issue a guardianship order, which will make things much easier for you as you're caring for your person who's disabled, or perhaps disabled due to advanced age or dementia. We're certainly seeing a lot of situations like that these days. So again, if you're in Pennsylvania, certainly if you're in Eastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Pennsylvania is my stomping ground. Monroe County Court of Common Pleas is where I file most of my documents. And I've been practicing here, as I said, for a very long time, since 1998, and been a lawyer for 33 years. So again, I'm happy to speak to you on the phone to determine what your problem is and whether I can help you. And typically it doesn't take me longer than 10 or 15 minutes to understand the nuances of your problem and whether I'm the right person to help you. And you can be sure that if I'm not the right lawyer to help you, I probably know the lawyer who is the right lawyer to help you, and I will refer you to that person gladly. So I became a lawyer to help people, and I hope that you will reach out to me so I can start helping you today. 570-269-5441.